Okay, so for today, I would like to briefly discuss what is the accuracy, precision, and recall. So you will see those three terminologies from the classification model summaries. So I would like to have a very simple example to explain it. So now, suppose if the task for this classification problem is to identify and classify the triangle and rectangles here. And suppose this is our model. Okay, this is our classification model. And what it says is on the left-hand side, it's all identified or classified as triangles. Okay, and then on the right-hand side of this model here, it's all identified as the rectangles. So the first concept is the accuracy. It is calculated by the total correct and then over the total observations. Okay, so simply as you can see that the total observation, if we count, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the denominator here, it's 15. Okay, and then how many like objects we classify correctly? Well, as you can see that on the triangle part, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on the rectangle part, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's also 5. Okay. So as you can see that the accuracy is going to be 10 out of 15, or 2/3, or it's a 66.7%. Okay. But now, if we want to go to the precision, how do we handle that? First of all, to talking about the precision, you need to focus on one class. Either it's the triangle class or the rectangle class. Okay, so suppose we focus on the triangle class. Okay, so maybe put a label here. And then, so to talking about the precision, here we will, let me try to see if I have a different marker. We will only look at this side, okay, this left-hand side. As you can see that the meaning of the precision, it is, as you can see here, it is out of the prediction of the model made for this class. What is the proportion for correct? What does that mean? So that means if you look at the triangle prediction class, because on this left-hand side, it's all classified as triangle. And you will see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are predicted correctly out of 7. So that's the precision, okay, for the triangle class, which is, I don't know, maybe, yeah, 5 out of 7. Okay, probably it's approximately to 71%, something like that. Okay, but how do we calculate the recalls for the triangle? Okay, so the meaning of the recall is out of all the instances of this class, or out of all the observations in this class, and then how many did this model identify? What does that mean? Well, So as you can see that the recall is, first of all, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 triangles in this data set. Okay, and then how many we predict or identify correctly using our model. As you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we identified 5 out of 8. So that's what we call the recall. So if I trying to write the concept of the precision and recall, so as you can see that it's of the predictions the model made, for this class, okay, for this class, which is the triangle class, what proportion were correct? Okay, so that's a precision, because we classify this as all triangles. So out of this part, how many are correct? So that's the precision. But what about the recall? Okay, so we can write or explain the recall as out of all the instances of this class. Okay, of this, let's say, class, how many did the model identify? Okay, so that's the difference, right? Because overall we have 8 triangles, but in our model, only 5 are identified correctly. So that's the recall. And as you can see that the precision and the recall, they counter each other. And in the classification model summaries, often there will be another term is also called the F1 score. So basically this F1 score, it is the harmonic mean for this precision and the recall. Okay, so what it trying to calculate, so it's so you can see the arithmetic mean for the precision and the recall, which is this guy plus this guy and then over 2, right? But the harmonic mean, which is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the given set of the observations. So what does that mean? So as you can see that it's the precision, the reciprocal plus the recall's reciprocal, and then the arithmetic mean, and then the reciprocal. So simply, if you write it, it's going to give us 2 over 1 over the precision plus 1 over the recall. Okay, so hopefully this short video can give you some ideas about what is meaning for accuracy, precision, and recall. And thank you for the watching.